Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be doing more of that slime. I don't know why, but I will be. And it's going to be very fun. So, it's this tab right here. I did not go to school today because I need to get like this. I need to get like the slime stubs and stuff. Okay. That was nothing. Like you didn't hear a thing. A thing. You hear me? Hear a thing. And I've got depressing news. Ava left. Ava's not here anymore. It's very depressing. Because it is. It's depressing. Okay, so anyway, I'm just getting like the slime substance on my hand because it's really sticky. If I don't have the slime substance. So I gotta get it on my hands. And you know what today is? It's May 16th, I mean. 16th. This is perfume. I don't know why I'm going to spray it on the slime, though. There we go. I don't know why I just did that. It was very stupid, I think. Yeah, that was a stupid thing to do. I just realized that. It was very stupid. Oh my god, I'm dumb for doing that. Now this is going to get, like, wet. Okay, yeah, I'm just going to put that away. The slime stuff is already on my hands. We'll leave it. That was nothing. Ah. Okay, I'm back. So, I'm thankful for that I gained some new subscribers today and yesterday. I'm very thankful because I like when people subscribe. And you know what? I got that on, you'll see. I got it on this game. I got it on Among Us. I asked people to subscribe to my channel. You know what? They're so nice. So they actually did. So basically just shout out to them because of how nice they are for doing that. But some other people on there weren't so nice. But one time there was this dude, he looked like a lemon or an olive or a lime or something. And I remember his name was Mushroom. And since yesterday my mother left for a conference, he, like, in Among Us, like, his little crewmate dude, he literally just, like, scooched over next to me because I wasn't feeling so good because I missed my mother. And I told everybody that in chat, because I do free chat, like, you can chat, like, whatever. Because he was just really nice. Okay, I'm going to stop explaining Among Us and just play with slime. I might, as I said, well, I may have not said this, but I might start doing something called, like, it's like slime story time. If you guys know the channel, I'm going to be doing something like that. And I'm just wondering if that's okay to do. Like, I'm just wondering. Just like if it is okay to do. But I don't like if it's not okay to do. There we go. And I'm just very thankful for people who go on my channel and like the videos. Our newest video is this video that I'm making. I saw my other video, and I said that when I was doing slime that everybody hated it, but for some reason I actually watched. I liked myself doing it. You know what, guys? I'm just gonna be quiet and let you hear. Okay? That's what I'm gonna do. Wow, that was weird. So I'm gonna talk again. I know why the comments are turned off now. And I want you guys to maybe get me to 50 subscribers so I can go live. That'd be really fun. I just want maybe you guys to get me to 50 subscribers so I could go live and maybe you guys could watch me. That'd be fun. And I actually might do some Among Us videos. Did you guys just see that? Like, wee, baba da, wee. So I'm thankful for those people who have subscribed. I'm still thankful for people that likes too, especially on the kitten cuteness one. Because that one was of socks and he was being darbs as usual. But yeah, just shout out to all the people that have subscribed to me. I don't know who people have subscribed to me, but I only know my friends that subscribed to me. I know that Amelia subscribed, as you all met. I don't know if, I think Ava subscribed. My brother's home right now. So he just came home on the bus. And yeah, so I might end the video right now. But actually, wait, no. Guys, should I just... Okay, that was nothing. So, you know what? I'm going to show you guys some other slime. There's the cover. Okay. Okay, so that, I just threw it on the ground. I'm going to play with this slime, and that'll be the last slime. Okay. You guys all know what this slime is. So we're good. I'm gonna whisper so my brother doesn't hear me. Actually, wait, no, I'm not going to whisper. So I might end the video soon. So I guess just when it hits like maybe 11 minutes, I'll stop. So yeah. And so I guess in a minute. Like and subscribe and share the video if you want. So just actually please like and subscribe. Guys, you know what? I'm gonna do another video after this. Okay, so basically, hope you have a nice day. Like, subscribe, and share. So, peace out.